Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. I am here today to announce that the Christmas in July Hop hosted by Miss Sandy Nagel of Decorate Your Life and Miss Jenny Petro of Craft Creations. Now, with this hop, each design team member got to choose one of Miss Sandy's Christmas printables for their projects. Now, this is the printable that I chose, which is Winter Gnomes Fun Pack. I will be using this in my project. If you want to see what I will be making, stay tuned to the next video where the project will be. Okay? Now, each member of the design team will be doing a giveaway of a Christmas printable collection. Some of the team members may give away the item that they made. There will be one grand prize winner. The grand prize is $35 shopping spree in Miss Sandy's shop, where she not only does printables, she has traveler's notebooks, beaded pens, and much more. Okay? The $25 grand prize will be open to the U.S. The printable giveaway is worldwide. Okay? In order to win, you must be a visible subscriber and be subscribed to all the design team members and be 18 years or older. So I'm going to show you the printable that I will be using for my project, and this will be my giveaway. Okay? Here's this one. It has 7 pages. Okay? So we have this one here with the 3 little gnomes. Forget the marks on here because I have a plan for this. Okay? We have this one. This one. This one. And this one. And this one. This one I like because you can do one for Happy Meal and one for I can't read this, it's too small for me to read. And then there's one that says snow. You can take the ones that don't have writing on it, and you can make them into little thank you cards. So, this is what I will be using in my project. So, stay tuned to the next video to see what I will be making. Okay? I want to thank you all for being here. Please be kind, be caring, be blessed, be crafty, be positive. And I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and bye-bye for now.